All right, we got a 2024 Hyundai Sonata key fob here. This is how you open it if you want to replace the battery. Turn it over this way, and you notice that there's a slot right here. Turn it over this way, there's not a slot. So the slot is going to give us access to opening the remote. We're going to put a screwdriver in here and just give it a twist. Okay, and that cracks it open like that. Okay, hear it kind of crack and pop. Then we're going to go around, just open it up like that. Now once we have it opened up, what we want to do is, you can see the circuit board sits below this rubber seal here. This rubber seal it won't allow us to slide this battery out. It actually slides out this way. So we kind of have to lift it up just a little bit, enough, just to be able to slide this out. Okay. Once you get it out, battery size is a CR2450 with the positive sign facing out towards us. Slide your new one in. You can see a positive sign right here also. And you want to work the circuit board back down and then snap the remote back together, okay? If you need a battery, there's a link down in the description box. Station Amazon where you get the correct battery.